Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you are new here, seeing my face for the first time, hello, my name is Ama Loves Beauty. This channel is about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Like, I love everything beautiful, sexy, classy, elegant, all of that, sophisticated. So if that's the kind of content you are searching for, you're on the right track. Why don't you go ahead, support my channel by hitting that subscribe button, and as well, most importantly, that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys. I really appreciate your support. So today's video, it's a continuation from the luxury item haul I did a few weeks ago. I didn't actually have the time to do. I actually did the try on section a few days ago, but because of time, like I said, I am doing the have to show you guys what I got. So I am so sorry for the delay. So let's just jump in and see what we have. Just a bit of introduction about this brand, because other pieces I'm going to be sharing with you guys, they are one brand. It's called ELISABETTA Franchi. ELISABETTA Franchi, it's an Italian brand. Wow. They do online as well in store. But I got these items in store when I was in Italy for holiday. Guys, I have been using this brand for a decade, so I do understand their kind of style, their kind of items, their material. So, and they as well a bit of a pricey side, but actually I know what I am investing my money on. It's not a cheap quality. I thought that, oh, it's expensive, but I'm getting no good thing. I am 100% sure, because I've used it, like I said, for a very long time. So that is all. The first piece is this jacket. It's called, I actually used it in one of my videos. I did combine the style with one Zara haul, but okay, we actually haven't talked about it. It's called jacket or jacca in Italian. It was jacket, but it's also a jacket. It's also a blazer, ivory color. I got the size 40 because normally I would go for 42, but it has a kind of a loose fitting or something like that, a big fitting. So I think this 40, it's appropriate. It has a shoulder pad. I have a broad shoulder, so the length is so good for me. It's a sleeve without a button, and it have a lapel collar, like the double-breasted button here, a golden button at the front, more or less like, okay, 6 buttons, and a first pocket at the front. Doesn't really have anything. And at the back, there's actually nothing happening here. I love how it's structured, the elegance. It could be a daily wear. It could be kind you can pair on the leggings, on a jean, on the skirt, like a normal blazer you can eventually pair. And the color, it's so versatile that you can just pair with any outfit. So it's a more than your hip, I think, or thereabout your hip, yeah, your hip length, I think. And this retail for 399 euro. I did actually convert it, guys. I've not converted it to Swiss francs, so that's just it. It's just a statement to add, and the texture, it feels so very cool. And so is this trouser. Wow, guys, talk about the color, how blinded the color is. So elegant. The color, it's a green, but I don't know what kind of green it is. You know, they have a different kind of green, but never mind. It's very unique green, very sharp green. It has 2 pockets at the front, invisible zip at the back, and a kind of a design of a chain. You can actually detach. You can detach this chain from the trouser just to make it plain if you want. But actually, this was a set, which is this. I will talk about this after. It's more like a set, which has this kind of a set, the bed set. It was actually a summer collection, but definitely you can pay during the winter, during the autumn. I did combine with one of the Zara shirts, Zara texture shirt, so warm. You can wear an ankle boot on this. You can wear a pump heel on this to give me extra warmth. That's why I did pair with that a Zara texture shirt to give me extra warmth, but I can definitely go away with it because of the color. It's so unique and beautiful. I know it's kind of a summer vibe color, but guys, I don't care about the color. Actually, I can wait. So for me, I think it's very cute. It's a bit light, so what I would do, I would wear a kind of a hose inside the trouser to kind of give me extra warmth. This retail for, okay, I got the size 42, and this retail for, okay, it's a menta green. It's written here, a menta green. And this retail for €299. The details, so if you want an extra statement, you can leave this on it. You can pair this on any top, like I did pair. You can wear any top on top. So the next piece I got is this skirt, a flirt skirt. So flirt, not so flirt though, but it's a flirt skirt with a belt to adjust to just tie it. It's a high waist though. You can make it high waist. You can make it as well a normal waist. And I got this in, this color is in caramel color. And okay, there's an invisible zip at the front. There's nothing happening at the back, and it has such a cute pocket, two pockets at the two sides. So very, very cute. I love this. Like this season, you want to hide your hand or just feeling so cheeky, just put your hands there. It's so very cute, and the length, it's so appropriate. It's more or less a bit than the knee, but it's so very cute. This retail for €299, and I got the size 42. I pair this on any blouse as such, just like example of what I am wearing. I could just pair it on this kind of a top. Color combos is so very cute. I think it's so versatile when it comes to color. Caramel, it's a kind of a versatile color that goes eventually a lot of combos. I also did pair with this t-shirt. Oh my god, it was so different from what I would normally pair, like a t-shirt. So cute, just a cute pieces. You can wear a boot on this. You can wear a pump heel on this. Because of the weather, just wear a hose and you are good to go. Put on a cardigan. You can pair with a cardigan. You can pair on the pullover. You can just pair with a blouse. You can pair it eventually on anything. Wear a cardigan as well. Wear a coat. Perfect. So the next piece I got is a t-shirt. A t-shirt, like a normal t-shirt hand, like that kind of short hand, more or less. It's a crop t-shirt. I literally don't have any crop t-shirt. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, I could wear this on high waist skirt, high waist trouser. Like, you can pair this on a jean. You can pair it on any pants, on a leggings as well. Like I did pair on the leggings as well. I pair with a Zara leggings as well, and just wear a blazer on top. And for the sake of this weather, you can pair this on a cardigan and wear a coat on it, just to give you extra warm. All right, this retail for €109. Okay, it has the logo, like the brand logo at the front, and animals, and ELISABETTA FRANCHI herself, she is this. Okay, she is a lover of animals. She loves animals so much, so she did release this kind of a collection of animals. This is black and white combos. So like I said, you can just pair this on a leggings, on a jeans, on any pants as well. And it just kind of so cute. Like I said, on this weather, you just have to wear a cardigan and a coat on it. And definitely it's a kind of a basic wear, everyday wear, casual wear, but so. The next piece I got is this blouse. It's a bodysuit blouse, a long sleeve with extra flare or flap at the hand, and it has a button, a very cute button. I don't know if you can see it on both sides. It's reflecting on the both sides. So very cute with the brand logo. Okay, it has a kind of a pleat at the front a collar, a slight shoulder pad, very slight, and a 2 metal hook at the back. And as well, something else that is so very fun, it actually was the summer style, which it's opened at the back, but I'm not quite okay with this. It's too open, so I am definitely going to kind of work on it, like just close it at the back, which it's too open, but it's very cute. I wore it, but I don't like that style. This retail for €299, and I got the size 42. Actually, it's a set of this, like I said, but you can definitely just style it differently. I mean, just style it with something else. You can wear this separately, like I pair on a jeans, you can pair it on the leggings. You can just, because the color it's so very cute and sharp. I think it's also mixed with, the color is mixed with a metal green and a creamy color, more or less. Yes, so I love this piece. I love it. Like I said, you can combine with this if you want, or you can just separately dress them on something else on top or under. So this is such a gorgeous piece. I love the statement. I love how it's structured, so unique and so beautiful, so elegant. I just love it. So the next piece I got is this pullover. It's a knit pullover, blue, and a kind of a rusty button at the shoulder here. Rusty button, and you can see just the 3 buttons here, and an anchor detail at the front. You can see the white one. I love the length. It's more or less like, I won't call it a 3/4 thereabout, but it's not actually up to your wrist, but I would say it's thereabout, just thereabout to your wrist, I would say. And it's a precise length. The length is okay, and a bit kind of tighter here at the waist. It's so very cute. I love the combos of the colors, white and blue, which is not so difficult to style with any jeans, I would say. You can also style this with the jeans, and you can also style it with any pants. You can style with a tailored trouser, sort of. I got a size in 42, and this retail for €333. So I love it. I combine it with a jean as well. You can combine, like I said, on any outfit. And like this weather, you just add your coat on top, you are definitely good to go. It's so very warm, very warm. Like, it's a knit anywhere. So that's it. So queens, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy every bit of it as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you do, please don't forget to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button, and as well the notification bell, so you won't miss any of my upload. And as well, thumbs up. It's really helped my channel to grow. All the same, I will link all of these items down in the description, and as well, most of these items, they are now on sale, so you might want to save some coin. And as well, some of these items, they might be out of stock as well, so I will find, if I could get a similar one, I'll link them down. I will link them down in the description, so if you want to check it out. All right guys, I'll see you again in my next video. Please stay safe.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like